Alright, hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing of the Happie Scrappie monthly planner kit. So this month is Favorite Things 2. This is the February 2020 kit. I have the A5 unpunched and also the B6 Traveler's Notebook, but I'll be unboxing the A5 unpunched here. What came along with my order, you usually get a freebie if you subscribe to multiple kits, and I think this might be this month's freebie. So you get are these stickies? No, they're not stickies. You get like a little notepad that has like 1 through 6 and a little sleeping kitty on it and some books. And then also this. Don't know what this is. I think it's a magnetic bookmark. Yeah, it's a little magnetic bookmark. Oh, that's a really nice tag, actually. All right, so on to the kit itself. So it is March. It's like the end of March. I think there was a little bit of delay on these only because of what's going on in the world right now, but I don't mind. I really love everything that Sam makes. I'm really excited no matter when it comes to me. So what do we have in here? All right, so this is the little box. Her boxes are always so nice too. Like I keep all of the kit stuff in the box, but then you can always use cut up the box and use it as cardstock. It is like a nice thick card. All right, so let's put that aside. First we have the pen. Oh my gosh, it's a little Miffy pen. How cute. I'm assuming it's a gel pen. I'm not going to take the little stopper off of it yet. Next, well, let's just do it how it is. So next is this little packet of things. They got a little crunched up there. I think these are from past kits. So you have some little booties and some little tab. What you do is you take these off, they're connected, and you fold them over. So like you fold them on top of themselves like that, and it creates like a tab divider. Let's put this stuff up here and I'll zoom out later. Next is another notepad. They're not sticky. It says start somewhere, and it's got cute little kitties on it in a grid paper. And then these, I think these must be die cuts or stickers maybe. So next you have these. Oh, they're all hollow, which is really nice. A little kitty and a pencil. The same grid as the kitty and grid is the paper. Little mason jar. Oh my gosh, a little kitty on a stack of books. A planner. Another little kitty on a bookshelf. A nice plant. Some roller skates. Oh, a little side-eye kitty. How cute is that? And a little kitty in an envelope. Those are really nice. So you get all these dies. Next you get, they're not quite washi cards. They are like a card stock, not a plastic. But you get these little, this one says Dream Big with the kitty on the bookshelf. You get the kitty in the book stack with like a, not plaid, what's that color? Not, the pattern I mean, not like tartan, argyle. And then this one that says Killing It. It's kind of like a little plant, and the side-eye cat. And then you get all your stickers. So this month she always includes 2 weekly header sheets. So there's actually, well, normally there's 6 weeks, but it looks like this one has like small Monday through Sunday. So on one sheet there's actually 5 weeks. So you get 10 weeks worth of date covers. You get the half boxes and habit trackers down at the bottom. Like washi strips, bow headers, little weekend banners, the pencils and the heart, or the flowers or the leaves are stickers. This is like some deco. These ones you put this portion in your planner and then you fold this portion on itself and it creates like a little flap, I think. Or maybe that's the other way around. I think you stick that part down and this is a flap. Here's the divider tabs. Again, you just fold these onto themselves on the page and it creates a little divider tab. And look at those little cute kitten dividers. You've got some star lists. Date dots, well, they're stars, which is like, this is the most beautiful like glitter hollow that just exists, you guys. It's so nice. Some deco, little cats, plants, envelopes, books. You get so these fit on the tabs, these tabs here. You can stick the months or, wish list, family, fitness, just different things you can put on your tabs in your planner. And then also, oh wow, another sheet of date stickers. You can see the dates on there. And also 2 large weekend banners. So it's really nice. And what else do we have here? Oh yeah, this is the large sheet of full boxes that you get. Oops. You get one of these, another one of the like really thick cardboard or cardstock. It's like a folio. So you can, I think the stickers fit in here. Oh yeah. You could slide your stickers in or just little notes carried around. Good for a TN if you have this size TN. You get all your papers. Let me scoot some of those around. So for papers, she switched it up where you used to get 2 of each of the cardstocks and now you only get 1. So there's this one here that says hustle, radiate, killing it, dream big, grow. This is the pattern on the outside. This is the pattern on the inside. And then you get this one, which has the little kittens and the skates and some rainbows. And then on the other side is the Argyle with the kittens and the envelopes. Similar to this pattern here, no, it's like a mix of them. It's the words from the first sheet, so hustle, radiate, dream big, but it's the little kittens and the book stacks. And it's like in a gold foil. And then, oops, didn't mean to hit the camera. And then you get the kitties and envelopes. And these are both vellums, if I didn't say that. Okay. Next, you get, I think these are journal cards. Yeah, so you get a pack of journaling cards. This one says, you are enough. The killing it pattern. Be happy, be bright, be you. And start somewhere. And then last but not least is the inserts themselves. So like I said earlier, I get the A5 size. A5 always comes with covers, so you can punch these. They both say start somewhere, but they always have a back. So this is the back. And then the inserts themselves. There's the little kitty. How are these arranged here? Oh, a month view. And then another kitty page. And then it looks like daily columns. So you get those. And then you get some notes pages in the back. They have the little kitties on the bottom. So that is, let me zoom out a little. Although I think you're gonna see the tripod leg. All right, so this is everything that you get in the kit. You get this much stuff every single month, and I'm pretty sure it only costs $25. You always get like a pen. You always get the inserts of your choice. If you choose to get inserts, you can also do just like a sticker kit, and instead of getting inserts, you can get more of the full box stickers, so more of like a full sticker kit. But in the planner kit, you always get your planner inserts. You always get 2 specialty papers. You used to get 4 of the cardstocks. You only get 2 now. Sam has been including these folios the last few months. And then just the stickers up here, you always get those, and then just other things. So like this month there's the journaling cards, the little, I think these are stickers. So this month you get these little cards here, the notepad instead. So like you get an assortment of different things every month, but then there's also things you can rely on getting every single month as well. So I highly recommend it. I love this kit. I love Sam's designs. She does she does all of the designs herself, and her team even produces a lot of these materials. So they will print and cut a lot of this stuff themselves, instead of outsourcing it. I know they do outsource some stuff, but I know a lot of it they produce themselves as well. So I'm a really big fan of these kits. Highly recommend. They're great for if you're obviously a planner person. They're great for that. That's how I started buying these kits. But over time, I've been using my Plum paper planner, if I'm using a paper planner, to be honest. But the other things outside of the actual inserts themselves, a lot of this stuff you can use for card making or just any other crafty project. So, like, even though these are meant to be like journaling cards, if you cut these out, they would make great card fronts. Or the papers, obviously easy to use in crafting. Even the stickers, things like these stickers you could put on cards or craft projects, or decorate, binders with them. And a lot of the stickers too, the full boxes are obviously sized for an Erin Condren or sized for the planner, but you could use like this little sticker here. You could just stick it onto any kind of card or craft project. So I think the kits are really versatile, even if you're not really a planner. They're obviously great if you are a planner, but there's definitely other uses for them as well. So that is this month's kit. It's my favorite things too, February 2020. Hope you guys enjoy. I'll leave info for subscribing to the kit below. Not obviously a paid endorsement here. I just really love these kits. And I will see you guys later. Bye.